Happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today marks my first episode for Christmas 2023. Disclaimer, if you're not ready for Christmas, come back and see me when you're ready. No pressure. However, I'm going to be showing you something I did yesterday. I'm in love. I'm not necessarily doing a decorate with me today, but I'm going to show you some things that are in the stores, such as Walmart, that I picked up. I've also decided to do something this year that I haven't seen done. I'm not saying it hasn't been done. I'm sure it has been, but I haven't seen it on YouTube. I haven't seen it on Pinterest. I went to a Christmas decor store and I saw a gentleman doing this in his tree, and I stood back and I went, that is genius. That is genius. And it looked so beautiful. And so your girl is gonna try it. I will tell you, he was doing it probably on a 7-foot tree. I'm doing it on a 12-foot. So fingers crossed this idea works. Okay, so let's get into the video where I share what I did yesterday. We will revisit this whole area. I'm not sure if we're doing it Friday or not, but we may. And it's gonna be gorgeous because I've already been playing. So what I'm about to show you is something that inspired me over the weekend. We went to an antique store, and when we walked in, they had the cash register, a huge long one at the front of the store. Above it, they had what you're going to see, and I just went, I have to bring it back. I have to. It's a hanging ladder. You've seen them in many of my homes. And after I saw that, I was perusing through the store, and my eyes just kept going back and back and back to that hanging ladder. So that very night, I came home, I browsed Amazon, found a ladder, a chain, some cup hooks, and I had 2 grapevine wreaths. I had some garland, and then I ordered some lights. And so let's get into what I created. So let me roll the footage. Okay, so this was the hanging ladder I came across. The pictures are not doing it justice, but it was sort of dark in the store, and the lights it made it look so cozy. So I knew I had to try this. So this is the ladder I picked up on Amazon. You have to put the ladder together, but it is super simple. And then I picked up 4 cup hooks. I've used these in the past, so I know they work well. And then I picked up this black chain. I knew I was going to need 4 small pieces, so it worked out well. So what I did is twist the cup hooks into 4 sides of the ladder. And then right here you can see I've installed them into the ceiling. Super, super simple. And then you attach the chain. And now here I have a grapevine wreath. I took it outside, I unraveled it, and then I brought it in and stretched it across the ladder. I was hoping 1 would work, but I ultimately needed 2. So here you can see I'm adding a second one. So here I have stretched the grapevine out to the other side of the ladder. And then I decided to add some pine garland. And I really love that look. It looks very organic and woodsy. I love it. And then I added lights, not only to the grapevine, but also the pine garland. And then I was trying to figure out how to hide the remainder of the lights. And I did so by hiding it behind the mirror. But you'll see that later this week. But I love the end look. It's gorgeous. And it looks so, so pretty at night. Here's a view from this morning. I took it and I was like, oh, it looks so pretty. Love it. So now that you've seen my hanging ladder, this is something that I'm going to keep up year round. Why? Because I am going to decorate the top of it seasonally with seasonal floral stems. And it's going to be so pretty. I have done this in the past at many different homes, and I just love it. I had to bring it back. I just had to. So I believe this hanging ladder can be done over a kitchen island. It can be done, you know, anywhere you really want. But I decided to put it here because I wanted to see the sparkle of Christmas. I love adding rustic with elegant. And so this is just really gonna work well with my theme I'm going with this Christmas. Okay, so now I wanna get into my Walmart finds because they are so cute. Look what I found at Walmart. Okay, you guys know I love nutcrackers. I know nutcrackers aren't for everyone, but they are for me. When I saw this nutcracker, I thought to myself, he's too cute to go outside on the front porch where I'm virtually never gonna see him. So he's coming in the house, and check this out. He lights up, you guys. Check it out. And then look at the base of him. He is so cute. I got two of them. They are gonna be the focal point of my major display here in the house. In case you're interested in the price, $45, $45. And I thought that was very reasonable for the size and the cuteness factor. Check out what else I found at Walmart. They are really stepping up their game, and this is a cookie jar. Looks like a peppermint cookie jar. You guys know I'm going with the traditional red and green. So I got this and, hold on, and this one. And this is going in my kitchen on my floating shelves. So cute. I always love a diamond pattern. So very, very cute. Go Walmart. So I believe I got 3 of these berry wreaths. I love them. They come with the red bow. And the red and green is my theme this year. So these are gonna look really cute hanging on my mirrors. And you'll see as we get into the decorating. See one hanging there. But yeah, these are going other places in my house, so it all looks cohesive. And I feel like this wreath was very reasonably priced at $29.97. Really nice, really nice. I just love it. And you get the ribbon. It's already hung and ready to hang. Next, I got 2 of these, and I think they're super cute. It comes with the red ribbon. You could obviously change it out for something fancier. I actually like the red velvet ribbon, and it's going with my look, so I will be keeping it on there, but really pretty. So 2 of these. And again, the price was really good, $12.99. Then I got this Sonoma 9-foot garland, and it has the pine cones in it. It's really pretty, and it has these little pieces that makes it look super like authentic and real. And these 2 mixed with, you know, the regular branches. But what I like about this garland, it's very bendable. It's easy to work with. Some of the garlands out there are so stiff, you can barely bend them. And so this is wonderful. And this garland is $16.98, but for 9 feet of garland, that's a great price. It's a great price. You see that pile of wreaths behind me? Red berry wreaths. I have a whole bunch more in my laundry room, and this is going to be my unique idea for Christmas this year. So I ordered these on Amazon. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like. Over the weekend, when I saw this gentleman decorating this tree, he was using a big berry wreath, probably, I'm guessing 15 to 20 inches. So too, his berries were a lot bigger, and the dark ones were really cool looking. But when I looked at the price of the berry wreath, I believe it was like $139 a wreath. It's like, get out of town, get out of town. I can do that for a fraction of the cost on Amazon. I did sacrifice with a smaller wreath. I can fluff this out a little bit, although I really don't need to with what I'm going to do. But I will tell you, if you like the look of this, if you like the size of it, and if you've ever liked any of my Christmas trees, this one is going to be super, super unique. And I feel like these may sell out. So if you like it, grab some while you can, because when I show what I'm going to do, I think these are gonna go fast. And just so you can see, that's a basket, That's sort of a size reference for you, but I can't wait to get started on this tree. I got it up. It looks gorgeous. In fact, it's a new tree from Walmart. I'll put a picture of what it looks like here. We went to Lowe's, we went to other places. Similar trees were upwards of $539 and up. And this one was a good price. If you're doing a red and green theme in your house, you're going with traditional colors, get yourself some of these. I don't have the batteries in just yet, but I love them. It almost looks like the wax is coming down. I got these on Amazon. They come in a big pack. I already have these in some taper candle holders, and they look so pretty with all my red and green decor. So I highly recommend these. I'm gonna put a picture of how many candles you get to a box right here. And then I decided to get some green ones. And then I got some green ones. These are gorgeous. I literally cannot wait for you to see all the colors and how well these go with everything. But hold on. See how pretty it looks with this wreath. Now imagine these in some gold taper candle holders. That will up the look. If you want a more modern look, put these in some black taper candle holders, etc., etc. Another greenery pick I got on Amazon. It comes in a pack. You get several of them. I wanted to show this to you because if you like the look, this took a while to get here. I think this took like a week to get to me, but they're really pretty, and mixed with other picks, it's gorgeous. Okay guys, I will see you on Friday. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye guys.